Welcome to Wisdom Vibes, where knowledge dives deep. Get ready to challenge your mind. Can you guess these mysterious creatures from the depths of the ocean? Let's dive in and see how deep your wisdom really goes. Round 1. What is the largest fish in the ocean? Answer: whale shark. Round 2. Which fish can glow in the dark? Answer: lanternfish. Round 3. What creature has 8 arms? Answer: octopus. Round 4. What is the deepest known fish? Answer: cusk eel. Round 5. Which animal is known for its bioluminescence? Answer: anglerfish. Round 6. What is the fastest swimming fish? Answer: black marlin. Round 7. Which deep sea creature has a transparent head? Answer: barrelay fish. Round 8. What is the largest species of squid? Answer: colossal squid. Round 9. What type of animal is a sea cucumber? Answer: echinoderm. Round 10. Which animal can change its skin color? Answer: cuttlefish. Round 11. What creature is known for its long teeth? Answer: goblin shark. Round 12. Which animal uses echolocation? Answer: dolphin. Round 13. What deep-sea fish has a lure on its head? Answer: anglerfish. Round 14. Which deep-sea creature has a jelly-like body? Answer: jellyfish. Round 15. What is the name of the world's smallest fish? Answer: stout floater. Round 16. Which sea creature has venomous spines? Answer: lionfish. Round 17. What creature is known for its long arms? Answer: squid. Round 18. Which animal is known for its ability to produce ink? Answer: squid. Round 19. What fish is known for its large, sharp teeth? Answer: fang-toothed fish. Round 20. Which creature is known for its ability to regenerate body parts? Answer: starfish. Round 21. What deep-sea fish has a large, upward-pointing mouth? Answer: fangtooth fish. Round 22. Which creature is found at the Mariana Trench? Answer: deep-sea anglerfish. Round 23. What is the common name for a sea spider? Answer: pycnogonid. Round 24. Which fish is famous for its long tail fin? Answer: swordfish. Round 25. What is the name of the world's deepest fish? Answer: Hadal snailfish. Round 26. Which animal is capable of walking on the ocean floor? Answer: walking shark. Round 27. What deep-sea creature can survive extreme temperatures? Answer: Pompeii worm. Round 28. Which fish is known for having a large, flat body? Answer: manta ray. Round 29. Which deep-sea creature can live at extreme depths? Answer: Hadal fish. Round 30. What is the largest known octopus species? Answer: giant Pacific octopus.